I have two equations of a parametric curve. I want to find the points where there is a horizontal tangent line on this parametric curve. So let's start. So first of all, to find horizontal tangent is the slope equals to 0. Slope equals to 0, we have to find the first derivative. So first we take the derivative with respect to t. This is a 3t squared minus 3, and then a dy dt that is equals to 2t, and then dy over dx, so that is equals to the derivative of y with respect to t divided by the derivative of x with respect to t. So you have a 2t divided by 3t squared minus 3, and then horizontal tangent means the slope is equals to 0. The first derivative represents slope, so you have to set the first derivative equals to 0, and then you have to solve for t. So solve for t, how do you solve this? How do you solve for t? The top divided by the bottom equals to 0. The only way to get this is the top must be equal to 0, or you multiply the denominator on both sides. So that tells me when t equals to 0, there is a horizontal tangent. So when t equals to 0, can you tell me the location? T is a parameter. So x equals to 0 to the third minus 3 times 0, that equals to 0. Y equals to 0 squared minus 3, that equals to negative 3. So the point is 0, negative 3. All right, so at this point, the parametric curve has a horizontal tangent. And then other than that, we also have to specify that the 3t squared minus 3 can never be equal to 0. So add 3 on both sides and then divide 3 on both sides. We have t squared cannot be equals to 3 divided by 3 is 1. So t cannot be equal to plus or minus 1. So when t equals to plus or minus 1, the slope is undefined. So when t is equals to 1, what do we have? We have x equals to 1 to the third minus 3 times 1 equals to negative 2, and then y is equals to 1 squared minus 3, so that is equals to negative 2. So that means when x is equals to negative 2, y is equals to negative 2, the slope is undefined. So what is slope undefined mean? The slope is undefined when t is equals to plus or minus 1. You check out this part when t is equals to plus or minus 1. The first derivative is completely messed up, right? So completely messed up means we have a vertical tangent at those 2 points. So at this point, and then also when t equals to negative 1. Let's find out that as well. When t is negative 1, x is equals to negative 1 to the third minus 3 times negative 1, so that is equals to negative 1 plus 3, which is equals to 2, and then y is equals to negative 1 squared minus 3. 1 minus 3 is equals to negative 2, so the other point is 2 comma negative 2. And these 2 points, so one in here and one in there, what do we have? We have a vertical tangent at these 2 points, and then at this point 0 comma negative 3, we have a horizontal tangent. Alright, so that is the end of this problem, also the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in the next one. Signing out for now.